Little shark, swimming by with splash. Splash through bubbles, zoom and fly. Blow, whoosh, 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 hear the sea. Flutter, flip your tail and follow me. Mama shark, calm and bright, gliding soft in the morning light. That swish, swish, swish through the tide. That guiding fins with love and pride. Papa shark, strong and bold, tales of treasure he's always told. That chomp, chomp, grin, glide away. Back in coral caves they love to play. Grandma shark with stories old, of pirate ships and shells of gold. That hum, 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 a sleepy tune. That rocking gently under the moon. Grandpa shark, wise and slow, knows where glowing fishies go. Bubble, 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 blink, what a sight! Shining tails in the starry night. Now it's playtime, let's all go. Flip and twirl in the water flow. That spin, 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 shout hooray! That ocean friends come splash and play. Day is ending, time to rest.